Jorns and metal forming, going to great lengths with innovation in long folding. If you're in the architectural sheet metal business, make building metal components, or are a roofer, a long folder probably represents the #1 potential profit center on your shop floor. If you're going to take full advantage of a long folder, wouldn't you want the best one you could find? The one long folder that delivers every conceivable innovation and operational efficiency possible? Well, look no further. Metalforming presents the family of Jorns Long Folders and its world-class record of innovation that puts it light years ahead of any competitor. Jorns makes 2 times more long folders than anyone else and has invested in the people and technology that has always set the bar higher in the long folding sector. There is a Jorns Long Folder for any size operation. They come in 10.5, 13, 21, 26, 32, and 40-foot bending lengths, and in 18, 16, 14, or 11 gauge capacity. Our standard models come with either a 40-inch or 50-inch back gauge, and our completely automated Twin-Matic folding cell comes with either a 45 or 51-inch back gauge. And achieving perfection is what the Jorns philosophy is all about. They should know they have produced over 5,000 long folders in 35 years and have literally never stood still when it comes to innovation aimed at giving you the perfect long folder. Let's quickly review why a Jorns is the only long folder you should choose. First, let's talk reliability and construction. There are over 800 Jorns folders on shop floors in the United States, many of which have been running as many as 3 shifts a day since the early 90s. And Jorns constantly brings world-class innovation to the product line. For example, here is a list of the technological advancements from Jorns just since 2002. First, an all-new upper beam design to provide more free space, which allows for an incredible number of new parts to be produced. Our new enveloped C-frame design, which is so strong we warrant all our C-frames against cracking for 10 years. The introduction of a new high-speed hydraulic system that increased production speeds by 30% and throughput by up to 20%. And that was quickly followed by a second introduction of new hydraulic technology, increasing speed another 20%. In combination, these 2 speed improvements means that Jorns clearly outproduces any competitive long folder out there. Then we introduced a new sine wave, or curved machining pattern, in the upper jaw, which acts like a built-in crowning system to produce straighter bends and better hems by automatically absorbing the deflection between the C-frames. Result? Perfect long parts. But with innovation as a corporate focal point, Jorns also redesigned their bending linkage system to allow a maximum bend angle of 147 degrees, which no other long folder can offer. This was followed by the development of the world's premier folding controls, the all-new CNC 600 and CNC 6000. Just take a look at these features. Sketch programming. Draw your part on a piece of paper, place it over the touchscreen, touch the bend points, and the control instantly creates the program. Confirm the dimensions and angles, and you're ready to make parts. And these CNCs are the first ever bending controls to incorporate world-famous CopraBend software, allowing the Jorns Long Folder capable of creating the architectural world's most accurate parts. And finally, during this time, Jorns developed the new Twin-Matic family of totally automated bending cells. With this revolutionary combination of engineering and automation, all you have to do is program the part, insert your blank, and get out of the way. The Twin-Matic gripper systems move the part automatically. The dual bending beams bend both up and down, and parts are finished with astonishing accuracy and speed. Clearly, no other company even comes close to Jorns in innovation and quality. Still not convinced? Well, Metalforming and Jorns also offer the latest in service technology with the use of direct link internet service. If you buy or lease a Jorns Long Folder from Metalforming, you can also buy our innovative service system. With direct link, if you ever have a service issue, we can work with you face-to-face, live over the internet at a fraction of the cost of on-site visits. You show us the problem, we show you the fix. If a part is needed, it's overnighted and a second session held the next day. Low cost, little loss of uptime, all in one. So that's the Jorns and Metalforming story. It began 35 years ago and has no end in sight. It's a story of excellence, reliability, innovation, and performance with an uncompromising focus on our customers. Jorns and Metalforming, going to great lengths with innovation in long folding.